not sure if your text has some grammatical error, let me show you how to use the grammar checker in QuillBot. So you want to sign into your profile, and whether you're on the home page or wherever it is, you have the option to find the grammar checker. So click on the grammar checker from your home page, or if you're already inside, you will be able to find the grammar checker on the left side right here. So all you have to do now is just paste your text and you can use the grammar checker, right? So you basically go ahead and ensure that you paste whatever it is that you want to do the grammar checker for, and you will see right here that it starts to do the grammar checker right here. As you can see, it checks everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just basically make some arrows within the document right here. So like I'm gonna just put an extra T there, or an A, and an extra E, for example, here, and extra I, for example, or E there. And you can see that it starts to detect right away, and it finds the arrows, and it automatically, let's say, highlight the words where it is, right? So you can go ahead and click on it, and then it's going to give you the correct text, and you can click and accept, and it's going to change it for you. So in the text, you do it, you just hover over it, and it basically fixes it for you once you accept. And that's it. So that's how you can use the grammar checker, guys. And afterward, you do a quick check and tell you how much of it that it's checked, and if your document is grammatically 100% correct, if it's fluency, it's good, if the clarity is good, if the engagement is good, and so forth, as you can see right here. And that's it.